Number 9. Number 9 should be much easier. 8 was the hardest one. Number 9, they're saying take that function and divide by x plus 2. So we can do that easily enough. We just put a 2 here, take the function, 7, negative 4, 6, and we'll divide. What are we going to get? Bring down the 7. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 minus 4 is 10. And 2 times 10 is 20. 26 is, oh, I messed this up. Why is it the wrong answer? What did I do? Do you see what I did there? I messed this up. I wasn't careful enough. I'm going too quick. What was my mistake? Do you see it? Remember, I'm supposed to do opposite. So when they say x plus 2, remember when a number is right next to x plus 2, that means you're supposed to put a minus 2. Anything right next to x, you put the opposite when you do, synthetic division or x equals, right? Whenever a number is right next to x, whether it has parentheses or not, if it's right next to x, that means it's opposite. So let's bring it down. 7 minus 2 times 7 is minus 14. This adds up to minus 18. Minus 2 times minus 18 plus 36. Remainder, add them up. 42 is the remainder. 42 is the remainder, which is the answer they said. All right, so the next one, divided by x plus 1. So that means negative 1, right? Whenever a number's right next to x, whether it has parentheses or not, it's the opposite of what it really is. So for the synthetic division, I got to use minus 1. And again, we're starting with the same function every time. See how they say the f of x, the f of x, the f of x, every time we're dividing by the same function. So bring down the 7, minus 1 times 7 is minus 7. Add them up, minus 11. Start the next one, minus 1 times minus 11 is plus 11. Add them up, 17. 17, that's the remainder. How do you do that third one? We're dividing by x. So what? There's no number next to x. So what number is that really next to x? Plus 0. Just put a 0 out there. Plus 0, minus 0, whatever. Makes no difference. It's just 0. So 7 minus 4, 6. Again, bring down the 7. Here we go. Multiply. 0 times 7 is 0. Add them up, minus 4. It's kind of funny. And 0 times minus 4 is 0. Add them up, 6. So the remainder is 6. Sure enough, that's right. And then how do we do the next one? We're dividing by x minus 1. So again, if a number's right next to x, whether it's got parentheses or not, it's the opposite of what it really is. So plus 1. And write 7 minus 4, 6. Here we go. Bring them down. 7. 1 times 7 is 7. And 7 minus 4 is 3. And 1 times 3 is 3. Add them up, 9. 9's remainder. I'll let you do the last one. It's the same exact thing.